Miss Megan Krebs, I have some very serious announcement that I'd like to go over. Very, and I mean it, very serious message that I'd like to go over. I can't believe what you did to me and Alan Lee about not using our devices away. Do you realize that this is wrong? You can't do that, Miss Megan Krebs. And you're just jealous of the policy, the cell phone and iPad policy from the main site. And you're just one of them. I can't meet people that are very bossy, unlike Miss Christina Chow. And guess what? Stop saying it. I apologize for that one. I'll have to do this. Stop saying it. Stop telling me and Ali to put our iPads away and put our cell phones away. No cell phones and iPads during the semester. And stop saying it in a rude way. FYI. FYI stands for your information. We certainly understand that we can go on our iPads and our phones whatever we wanted to. And you can't stop us, right? That's what I thought. And nobody ever is going to listen to a rude teacher, Miss Megan Krebs, like you. Yes, Miss Megan Krebs, I'm talking directly to you. You can't do that. And I will report it to the principal. You can't do that. You can't do that to me and Alan Lee. I know that Alan Lee can get very annoying at all costs, but this is definitely not inexcusable to tell me and Alan Lee to put our iPads and our phones away. You can't do that, and you're fired for good. And by the way, if it wasn't already, this is part 2. So yeah, sorry about that cake thing, but yeah, I'm serious. This is not funny. Definitely not funny at all. And if I recently find out that you're telling me and Alan Lee to put our iPads away during this skitting and Macy's Thanksgiving parade, and even that we are done, and I can go on our iPads and so does Alan Lee, then not only, according to Seth, for a story time, but I will file it to your local police. That's right. Don't make me come over here, Miss Megan Krebs. Yeah, I'm talking directly to you. Don't make me come over here and I will report it to the principal. This is very, 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 and I mean it, I am super disappointed. I can't believe it. This is definitely a nightmare, and I mean it, definitely. The MVB Martin Van Buren sucks. Yeah, hope you get fired. Goodbye. The end. All right. Yeah, that's what I thought. Anyways. Sorry about that. Anyways, premieres of the Roosevelt Field Mall in Garden City, New York will potentially be back on. comment, like, and subscribe for more info. That's it. I'm extremely pissed off right now.